we went through the most beautiful and unexpected situation of my life. That bottle should be full, and now it's all on the carpet, thanks to my wonderful girlfriend. Good morning everyone, now it's Munich time. Now I don't need to get this toll on the windshield, but I learned a little trick from a friend of mine. You need to, in order for this thing to not stick so properly. That should be it. We are just 10 minutes apart from the second charging stop of the day. On my gasometer it shows 77 kilometers at 24%, and let's say 80 kilometers at 25% times 4. I would say range is great, given the fact that we drive on the highway 100% of the time, and of course at legal speed limit 130-135 kilometers an hour. Be charging at full power because battery is at normal operating temperature. Oh, 131. Oh, this is what we want. 233. That's amazing. So I did a oopsie. I thought that the Porsche charging card wasn't available in Austria, but it is, and for this location we paid 40 euros, but that's no problem. It is. At the next charging station near Linz, we will be charging with plug-in charge and also the cheaper rate. See you there. Welcome to Germany. We are approaching a charging location before arriving in Munich, just to have a bit of buffer during the day. After that, we will visit some things in the city, and then we will be checking in the craziest hotel you will see in Germany, I think, which is called Ameron Hotel inside Motor World Museum. We are on our first ever no limit autobahn. That was something. You get a notification that the charging has been activated, so it is confirmed. And then we should see on the screen in a few moments. How is this real life? Just cruising at 170. The rest is doing almost the same, 150, 170. Seems like this is the appropriate speed limit for German citizens. When it says no limit, it is no limit, but when it says 120, it is 120. The Amaron experience is over. We had a blast. I think this was a unique experience for me, and I will highly recommend if you are into cars, if you are a petrol head or a gearhead, if you have an electric car. I hope I will arrive safely in Stuttgart, because I really want to see the entrance at least of Porsche Museum, because today is Monday, and on Monday usually things are closed in Germany. So we are 30 kilometers away from the first charging stop of the day. We have 50 kilometers on our gasometer, and I really want to say that if you use the Porsche PCM, you will not be able to travel as long as you would travel with PlugShare, because if you send the destination to an application, let's say Waze or Google Maps, you will not be required to precondition the battery. But one caveat to that is that when you drive, the motor and battery heats up by itself, and when you will arrive at your charging destination, you will be usually having 30 to 32 degrees heat in the battery. So you don't really need to precondition to get full speed. Every time I stopped during this entire trip, I never preconditioned, and I always had full speed. Another perfect charging stop. We are doing max speed 250. We arrived with 10%. Porsche charging plan works perfectly. We should stay here for 20 minutes, I think, and then head on to Stuttgart. So this charging location looks pretty good. We are doing over 200 kilowatts, and we are for 5 minutes here. Is it bad?
Ooh.
Yeah. Bravo. Good, good. That bottle should be full, and now it's all on the carpet, thanks to my wonderful girlfriend.
No, I didn't make.
We got an amazing experience here. Beautiful and unexpected situation of my life. I've met a wonderful guy who, first up, he's so awesome, and secondly, he let me get inside the parking lot or in the entrance of the museum and let me do some pictures of this wonderful architecture and entrance in this fantastic place. We should be here again on, I think, Wednesday. Our next destination is Nürburgring, and we will see some crazy shit here. The new Cayenne. So while I was doing my thing, the new Cayenne just honed past me, and that's the facelifted Cayenne with the new headlights and also the new interior. And one fantastic thing I know about that car is that on the passenger display here you will be able to watch every movie you like, and I can't wait for this update to get on the Taycan as well, because this is the reason why I chose to have that screen, because I expected something like this.